Hello, welcome to Tim's Reviews. I am Tim. Been a bit since I've uploaded a video, and I thought it was time we got started on this channel again and got some recent updated stuff posted for y'all to check out. And if you happen to be looking for something that I'm reviewing, then maybe I can help you out with that. In today's video, we're going to start with this 8-gang switch panel sent to me by MICTUNING. I have not used this particular panel yet. I do have a different panel similar to this in the Grand Cherokee, and it's been working fabulous. But this one's unique. It has some really big neon colored buttons. You can turn the black light off if you don't want it on, bothering you at nighttime driving. And it's just got a lot of cool features. And without further ado, let's just go ahead and take everything out of the box. I have had this out, checking it out. These are your buttons that you peel off and you will stick to your control panel. Big, easy to feel buttons that will glow neon. Plenty of cord to reach underneath your hood if that's where you need to take it. Your AC wire. Now, in my particular circumstances, I'll probably have to add a little bit of wire to that one. You have your hot and ground heavy duty cables. You have a 60 amp breaker box. You have your hardware and an Allen wrench. There's a screwdriver. There is a fused link for your AC wire. This is your control fuse block. Let me slide this over a little bit. Let's see, push, there we go. That's your lid with spare fuses. This is your fuse panel and control block. They give you plenty of zip ties. These are your brackets to mount this box. You're at the, excuse the noise in the background. I'm actually in the backyard doing this for unboxing, and we have a hawk that's kind of mad and he's screeching at me. So these are brackets where you can mount this. This is one bracket where you can flat mount this, or you have a roller bracket that pivots that you can mount to the back of that, and it'll stand up a little bit and you can move it around. So a couple options there. You could also use professional grade Velcro and stick that somewhere. And of course, we have the instruction booklet. I have been through this booklet. It will get you hooked up. Pretty good instructions. And we have plenty of stickers. Everybody likes stickers. We have this panel of stickers. Then we have some more stickers. This one's got a Jeep on it. So that's everything that's in the box, other than an inspection tag. All the reviews I've read have been positive on this. If you can hear me over the hawk. This one is a MICTUNING P4 Neon 8-gang switch panel, color-coded backlit, silicone buttons, universal relay, control system with 16 amp circuit breaker, on-off toggle touch pad. And this is what they say about this item, okay? So this is them speaking. After conducting market research, we found standard control panels to be dull and uninspiring. As the expert in switch panels, MICTUNING is committed to our core philosophy of reliable, innovative fun. True to this spirit, we designed the P4 Neon, a vibrant, easy-to-use switch panel that allows for flexible installation, blind operation, and a truly cool look. Color-coded buttons replace indicators. No separate indicators. Each button's color directly represents its control mode. Red, toggle; green, strobe; blue, momentary, or purple, flash. White indicates standby mode, and the backlit can be turned off completely for safer nighttime driving. Buttons you just want to press. Aluminum body and soft silicone buttons. Big, tactile buttons, easy to find without looking. Plus, just 2 function switches, on, off, plus, mode. Simple. I see you up there, Hawk. Okay, compact and flexible. Its small, space-saving design allows easy and convenient installation anywhere. Slim shape for flexible mounting, horizontal or vertical. Dashboard or A-pillar, you decide. It's built tough, plays hard. Max power, 720 watts at 12 volts, 1,440 watts at 24 volts. Max current, 60 amp. Operating temperature, minus 40 degrees Celsius to 105 degrees Celsius. IP65 waterproof rating. Compatible with 12 volt, 24 volt, RV, marine, car, truck, off-road, ATV, UTV, boat, yachts, caravans. Guys, this switch panel right here will run anything you need to run. And on this particular one, you have 8 auxiliary lights, CB, horn, air compressor, whatever you need. You have 8 positions on this one. You can, if you don't have much on there, you only need the 6 button one. So this is really cool, and I'll be hooking it up in my wife's Jeep Compass to run her roof rack light bar and reverse lights, and we may add some stuff later on. This company also has rock lights, so maybe that's something I'll think about in the future. They did send this to me free of charge, and I'm going to be hooking it up in the wife's Compass. I don't know that I'll be posting that on this channel. I have another channel called Outdoors for Adventure, and as you can see the Jeep behind me, you're going to see a lot of that, and overlanding, outdoor adventures, camping, and stuff like that. So be sure to subscribe while you're here and get you a MICTUNING light switch panel.